Greetings, adventurers. Sorry, I just decided to be very smart and chew up this lozenge right before I started recording. In the meantime, just enjoy the scene. Hello. I hope you all are doing well. Greetings, adventurers. This is Chris, aka Nas, back with new adventures in Skyrim. And here we are with Glamek. Glamek Wildsong, who is praying. I'm gonna cough, I'm sorry. To hear scene. Oh, speaking of, he is in a dilemma. He's caught between love and a Daedra, and both are extremely demanding and possessive. So this is where Glamek comes to kind of collect himself, get away, but get more into himself, get away from everything outside of himself and kind of focus, recenter. There was a major battle he fought here, and it was a very humbling experience. So he's connected to this spot. Where's that moon at? Go down somewhere? Ah, well. He couldn't sleep. Laid down for a bit. So, without much more ado, we're going to hop in character. In case I forget at the end. Take care of those around you. Take care of yourself. Take care of the ones you love. And we're going to hop in character. So, I couldn't sleep. It's kind of early. I am going to go and take a walk to the city up across the way. I don't even recall the name of it as I just ran through. I'm going to make sure to check their sign. And then I remember there was a pass through the mountains. And as I'm going further north, it's getting colder, less populous, and I'm starting to like it more and more. And I just figure, let's go north. And as it just turns out, I need to go collect a bounty for Cami. So we're going to get two birds stoned at once. I'm going to pause this in a moment. I'm going to set up just a nice shot for you all. I have to drink some water. Man, I miss Garm and I miss Cami. Two different reasons. I just miss Cami, but I also miss Garm because just specific at adventures like these. I don't know if I want to take a jump off that side of the cliff. They're always more. Time passes not a lot smoother when you have someone at your side. I don't know. Then again, I feel when Cami's at my side, she's fine. When she's not, though, she's miserable. I don't know. I feel bad saying that, but maybe it's her. Look at that. Take a moment over here. Look down on my area. Nothing crazy that I can see anyway. Lots and lots of coverage. The foliage is thick here. And the snow also. What do we have? Some ruins. Look at those. It's here before. Maybe not. It is just one thing I'm noticing is the closer I am to here scene, the more aware I am in what happens when in my transformations. And the more distant and detached I get, I feel confused and jumbled between what is real and what's not. Like, I may have been here, but it's just not clear. So if I was, I assume it's because I was, as I mentioned, just further away from him. I don't know. But then sometimes there's just that bloodlust, and I lose that battle, and I don't have any say in what happens. I have also realized I'm going to adopt a new fighting style with this sword. It's going to be a very mobile and aggressive hit and run. Let those... I found out that those hits stack that fire damage, so I can run, dart, tab them, tap up, let the fire damage tick in, do it, let it tick in more, pick my shots, not is that road going up? Yep. Not engage directly unless I have to, unless it's advantageous. You know? So we're going to go up to that city. Get the name of the city. I don't recall the name of it. And hope that's not one of those crazy elk. See if they have any property, or just look, maybe we can build our own place. But, and again, this may be, if I'm looking correctly and thinking correctly, one of those small enough places where I don't have to deal with many people, but Cami can still have the comfort of being around people. Where was that sign? I'm sorry. I'm sure I missed the road sign. That's okay. I'll get it eventually. Good day, guard.
Hi.
How are you doing?
What do you need?
I was just curious. Okay, well, have a good one. Greetings.
Hi.
How are you?
Hi.
All right. Not a bunch of talkative individuals. Okay, so kind of let's out there. Take a look around, see if we see any. Could make a little something here. I mean, whether she'd be content. Well, at least that could be initially. You have a good backdrop for a fire right there. Or for a fire pit, reflecting the heat. I don't know. That's more my primitive expectations and lifestyle preferences. I'm sure she'd want to find something more along the lines of this, an actual home. But I guess we'll talk about it. I'm gonna cough. I'm very sorry. I need to drink a little bit more water. All right. You have a blacksmith? Okay. Night Gate Inn. Okay. What about this little? This looks cozy. Enough for me, at least, anyway. So this is someone's home, yeah. Well, no, it's a business. I don't know. We'll have to see later. Not so bad. But guards patrolling. Rabbits going crazy.
That takes care of that. Must have run off.
And who are these? Just travel. Oh, see, look at this. Vigilance. This would be a nice enough place, I guess. Right? Oh, I think they got it. Ooh, but I see an ice room. I want to go. Here we go. This is what I was talking about. Let's see if we can't do this. I mean, they're already engaged, so who knows what will happen, but... Tag them. Oh, this doesn't work now that I'm slowed. Not too well, but... See that damage ticking? I don't have to engage. In fact, let the vigilance work it. I like it. All right. Thank you all. Cheers. All right. Is that where I want to go, actually? Where are they off to now? Ooh, we're gonna go up on there. Okay. Ah, look at that view. I thought they were running off to fight something again. Ooh, we have a cave of some sort. Check the map for Forsaken Cave on here. Okay. I mean, don't mind if I do. Of course. Let's go up here and... Oops. I'm excited to go up here. Try to run face first into a... Oh, wow. Let's see. Oh, okay. Wow. Oh, this is not going to work very well. I just... Against a flame atronach, I don't think that fire damage is going to work well. Let's get our distance and we know what to do. In fact. Alright. Let me check my perks. Look at that. Don't want to fall to my death. Man, that view is just beautiful. Even as a bestial wrath, I can't I marvel at it. Oh, it's going to be so beautiful because I'm going to kill everything in there. Oh, the sun's going down. don't see anything.
Hear me? Dead!
Die.
Over here!
You should be running. These aren't my kills. But I don't care. Feed first. Before we switch back, I'm going to take a moment and go through these stats because I may have some upgrades if I don't die somehow. Alright. I feel like I could stay in this form for days right now. Oh, man. Look at all that. Whew. All right. Yes, I remember this. I'm gonna have to go in there sometime too. What we're gonna do is finish here maybe. Keep this a little shorter. Camp out over here. And then go in there. So... Oh, I forgot the werewolf perks. So what I'm gonna do, for all intents and purposes, end this video here. In a moment I'm going to switch into werewolf form though. And go over those perks. So if you'd like to stay, then cool. In the meantime, like I said, we're going to have them camp out here. Probably shack up in here. And then we're going to probably go clear this place tomorrow. Again, well, I don't know if it's big, small, no idea. Maybe we'll sleep in the stable. With that all out of the way, I'm sorry I'm getting sidetracked of the scenery. Goodness. I am going to end this here. I hope you all have had a great time with Glamek and I. We will catch you on the next one. Until then, take care of yourself, take care of the ones you love, and we are going to burst into werewolf form here. On time. And have at that, and then go take a nap. Set up tomorrow's video. I hope you all had fun with us, and here we go. I'll give you all a moment to take off before I do it. 3 and a 2 and a 1. Alright. Then we're going to go do some looting. 2 points. Alright, in fact, let's just read some of these together. So that would just do more strength. That's a good thing. Doesn't matter. Maxed out. Maxed out. And healing me? Absolutely. Ooh, well, let's wait one moment. No, I don't want to get all antsy in the pantsy. Yes! Cleave damage. Absolutely. Ooh. Even dragons? I'm not sure. Do you have to get 2 to make it work? Because I put... No, I guess I didn't. I thought I put 1 in there. Maybe that's why it's not doing anything. But I'm curious if you have to do 2 to unlock it, I guess is the... Or is there another tier of it? Do I want them to be reduced by 75%? Hircine? No, not right now, you don't. Maximum health and stamina both in and out of beast form. And what was that other one? I think I'm going to go with that, but what was that other one? That's in beast form. Yep. I'm going to... Hircine wants that beast form. So let's do that. Nice. What else was there? Just, I guess we'll check. Goodness. I'm not good at navigating this. Wolf Among Men. I don't have... I'm debating this, but obviously it's irrelevant now. These are all making sure... Ooh, supernatural strength. Now they need those weapons. Alright. So there we have it, kiddos. There we have them. Wonder if we could make this our home. We'll have to see what's in there. Again, I don't want to do it on some Daedra spawning ground or something. I got to check what's around there also. But this would be a neat little fort, I believe. I mean, it's not, doesn't seem to be claimed by an Imperial or Nord, so... Well, we're going to end this in werewolf form. I hope you all had fun with us today, and they were officially ending this video for the second time.